Have you ever wondered what if your emotions didn't just stay inside you but actually shape the world around you? Welcome to Ecosphere, an immersive and interactive space where your feelings don't just exist. They show up as lights, sounds, and real reaction in your surroundings. At the center of it all is a balloon, but not just any balloon. This one's your controller. Shake it hard and you will trigger smoke, flashing lights, and a wide burst of bubbles. Hand it gently and you will get soft lights and a peaceful mist. It's like your mood gets ready by the room and reflected back at you. What makes it even more special is this space is shareable. Bring a friend and they will step right into the atmosphere you've created. You don't need to say, I feel this way. They will feel it with you. Our goal with this project was to turn emotional release into something meaningful, to give people a sense of control and a deeper connection to their inner world. This wasn't a simple build. We weren't just making a product, we were designing a whole experience. One of our biggest challenges, space. We didn't have access to a proper room at the start, so we made one ourselves using black fabric walls. It worked, but it meant we couldn't do real testing until it was fully built. So we had to get creative. We used whatever we could find, household items, makeshift bubble machines, 3D printed parts, just to simulate the feeling we wanted to create. Bubble machine and smoke machine gave us the most trouble. Our first bubble machine was 3D printed, but the fan wasn't strong enough. We passed the idea and got a real one, which finally gave us the results we needed. The smoke machine was another headache. The first one used a wireless remote, and we tried to hack it to trigger effects with Arduino, but the receiver kept falling. The second one needed more voltage than our relay could handle, so in the end, we just triggered the smoke manually during loud moments. Not ideal, but it worked. Then came the sensors, especially the mic. We needed to detect loud voices or screams, but not react to background noise. After trying out 3 different models, we finally found one that worked. The others kept going off randomly, which ruined the vibe. For lighting, our original plan was to control brightness based on motion, but we ran into power issues. The 5-volt 3A power source wasn't enough to light all 5 meters of LED stripes. We upgraded to 5 voltage 5A, but it still couldn't handle everything, so we reduced the number of stripes. In the end, we switched from brightness changes to different blink speeds. It was more noticeable and worked better. After all the problem solving, we ended up with a working, fully interactive space. The balloon could trigger different effects using built-in sensors. We created 3 main types of interaction. The first one, motion. An accelerometer inside the balloon tracks how you move it. Shake it fast or slow in different directions, and you will see unique light patterns. The second one, touch. We first tried using pressure sensors, but they were too fragile, not reliable enough for public use. So we switched to foil-based captive touch sensors. They were stronger and worked great for triggering the bubble machine. Yeah, our original 3D printed bubble machine didn't work either, so we swapped in the proper one and controlled it with a relay. It much better. The last one, sound. The mic was meant to trigger smoke automatically, but after all the relay and receiver issues, we didn't have time to fully automate it. So during testing, we manually turned on the smoke whenever the room got loud, still gave us the effect we wanted. In the end, we made it so touch, sound, and motion could all shape the environment in expressive, emotional ways. there's still a lot we need to prove. For starters, the sensors inside the balloon couldn't have been more smoothly integrated. They worked but didn't feel seamless. The smoke and the bubbles only had basic on and off reactions. With more time, we would have added intensive curves like birds that glow with pressure or volume to make the reactions feel more alive. Same goes for the lights. More colors, more patterns, and better placement could have made the visual clearer and more immersive. Atmosphere isn't just about tech, it's about emotion and how we understand and express it. We learned that feelings don't have to stay invisible, they can be seen, heard, and shared. This project gave us a way to make emotions feel real, not just for us, but for anyone who steps into the space.